Alabama Arise and Cover Alabama presented a Medicaid town hall in April at the Jasper Civic Center in Jasper. Speakers at the event talked about the importance of expanding Medicaid, and a presentation was held about how to afford it. Those present also discussed the cruelty of the Medicaid coverage gap.
So many of the people we work with at Daybreak fall into the coverage gap, and they fall in because either they are disabled or because they have had no income to this point because perhaps their abuser has not allowed them to work outside the home. So what we see is folks who come into shelter or who are fleeing their abuser in other ways who don't have access to health care simply because they are victims of domestic violence. When they flee that situation, they also lose their coverage. And even if you can get a part-time job, or if you can, earn money in some small way when you first flee, you're still not going to qualify for Medicaid at this point in Alabama because the threshold is so incredibly low to qualify for Medicaid.
So we work primarily with children who have been physically or sexually abused, but we do provide services for the family as well. And so we have a family advocate assigned to each child or each family that comes through the center. One of the things that we hear overwhelmingly is that those parents don't have access to care. We have one family that comes to mind. She has a couple of children, and she works a construction job, a very physically demanding job. So it's not that she's lazy, but she doesn't make enough money with her children to afford health care, and it isn't provided through the very small company that she works for. So she is in that gap, and any extra money she gets, she's going to put towards her children, not towards herself. And so that would enable her to have health care. It would also enable her to take better care of those children. She can't take care of them if she can't even take care of herself. We say in our office very often, poverty isn't a crime. And it isn't, but she's being punished for being poor.
Help us close the Medicaid coverage gap. Learn more and join our coalition at coveralabama.org.